All right, how you doing? So we're doing liver and bacon today. Slightly different method than when I grew up. When I grew up, it was just flour on it, salt and pepper, fried onions on the side, bit of bacon. We're cooking this with garlic, onions, tomatoes, and of course liver and bacon. It really is delicious. I love this little method. Welcome back to How to Cook Ray. So let's start off with our bacon. Now I've got a thicker cut, streaky bacon. As you can see, there's quite a lot of fat in there. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 rashers of bacon. We're going to start that off because I want to get it nice and crispy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into sort of bite-sized pieces. Okay, so look, you're going to need a skillet pan or something like that. Here's my bacon cut. I'm dropping it in. There's no oil or anything in there. We're going to get quite a lot of fat rendered from this, I would imagine. This is, like I say, this is quite a streaky, fatty bacon. So above medium heat, we're going to go for maybe 5 minutes. Okay, so you can see that I've got it to this amount of crispiness. You can go even more if you want, but you can see, I hope, there's a huge amount of oil there. We don't need all that. So separate the oil, get rid of it, apart from a tiny amount leaving the pan, and get the bacon set aside. Okay, so the bacon's there. Just set that aside for a minute. We've now got 2 cups of onion, 2 cups of tomato, 1 tablespoon of garlic. There's our liver. Now, some people would suggest that you soak that for 30 or 60 minutes in milk. I don't find it necessary. I've got there about 400 grams of liver. I'm going to slice that up and then we can get moving. So we're back in the same pan with a small amount of the bacon fat. You don't need a lot at all. Well, unless you really want that. We're on an above medium heat, like quite high, and we're going to drop in those 2 cups of onions. And we're going to be flinging these around for about 4 minutes. Okay, about 4 minutes there. Next up, we're going to add a tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're going to add some salt and black pepper. Be careful with the salt because the type of bacon can be really salty. Mine's kind of an average amount, but some of them are really salty. Now we're going to go in with the liver. Like I said, I've sliced that up. Stay on this vibrant heat, nice high heat, and we're going to go for 5 minutes now, stirring quite often. Fabulous. Now liver cooks really quite quickly, and we are on a very high heat. Let's get that bacon in there. And 2 cups of tomato, fresh tomato. Now I've not added any herb or spices in. You could put some chili powder in this if you want, some rosemary, some thyme. Take it into any direction you want. I'm going plain here. We're going to go for 5 more minutes. What we want on this high heat, we want those tomatoes to break down and cook down a bit. Okie dokie, absolutely wonderful. Off goes the heat. You can see the tomatoes have cooked down nicely. That's it, job done. I love that. All right, and there you go, really, really super. What I did is I held just a little bit of bacon back. I didn't put it in so I can put it on top so it looks a bit more fancy. A little bit of parsley there. But yeah, that's really, really lovely. I really do love this liver and bacon. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.